Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rebel Free. In today's video I'm going to explain you about the naive Bayes classifier with an example so that you can understand it in a more better way. So first, what do you mean by this naive Bayes classifier? It is also a classification algorithm. Okay, so it is a classification technique or a classification algorithm which is based on the Bayes theorem. Again, the name Bayes itself says, right, it is based on the Bayes theorem with an assumption of independence among features, which is nothing but presence of one feature is not related to the presence of the other feature. That is, the presence of one feature will not affect the presence of other features. So all the features are independent of each other. The change in one will not change the other feature, right? So naive Bayes classifier works on the assumption that there is no dependency among the features present in the data. Okay, done. So here also, as I already said, it is based on Bayes theorem, so you're going to use the Bayes theorem again here, so which is nothing but the probability of A by B is equal to probability of B by A into P of A by P of B. Okay, actually you should not read it as A by B, you need to read it as probability of A given the probability of B, but in order to make it easier for you, I'm reading it as A by B and B by A. Okay, so it is very important that you have to understand what A by B is and what B by A is. Now so you're clear about the definition of naive Bayes classifier, right? So as I said, let us try to understand it with an example. So for this, let us take this table. So fruit, yellow, sweet, long. So we want a fruit which is yellow, which is sweet, and which is also long. And of course here you have three fruits: orange, banana, and others. So here, of course, orange long is 0, which means orange cannot come into this, but still we have to calculate for orange also. So banana and others. So among these two fruits, which one has the most probability of being a yellow one, a sweet one, and a long one? So that is what you need to find out. That is what you need to do by the end of the video. By the end of the topic, you're going to classify a fruit which is more yellow, more sweeter, and more longer. Okay, so that is what you're going to do at the by the end of the video. So let us understand the table first. Fruit is the heading. Okay, and here we have orange fruit, so we have yellow oranges 350 yellow oranges we have, and we have oranges which are sweet are 450, and oranges which are long are 0. Okay, and total number of oranges we have here is 650. So this is the total of oranges, and this total is the total of yellow, this feature. Okay, and we have 400 yellow bananas, we have 300 sweet bananas, and we have 35 long bananas. And total bananas, how many we have? Sorry guys, it's not 35, it's 350. Okay, so now again we have other fruits, like you have other fruits also, right? Like you have apples, you have mangoes, and also in that yellow is 50, sweet is 100, and long is 50. And now you can get a doubt that it is 350 and it is 450, how the total will be equal to 650. See, the values may get repeated, right? So yellow ones may be sweeter, or sweeter ones may be yellower, and sweeter ones may be longer, like that. So the features may repeat, right? So that is, you have total of 650 oranges, you have total of 400 bananas, and you have total of 150 other fruits. Okay, done. Now what is the total number of yellow fruits you have together, all together, orange, banana, and others all together? You have 800. 350 plus 400 plus 550. Okay, you have 800, and here you have 850, and here you have 400. Okay, now we are done with the table. So what we have to find out? We need to find out a fruit which is yellow, sweet, and long, and also which is more probable. So in yellow, sweet, and long also, if you're getting two fruits, that is, suppose you're getting banana and others, you don't have a chance of getting orange because long oranges are 0. So you don't have chance of getting orange. So you will get either banana or others. From that two also, you need to select one which is having the more probability. So let us do the calculation part now. So first, what you have to do, you need to calculate how many yellow oranges you have, right? So in the same way, you need to find out how many yellow oranges you have, how many sweet oranges you have, how many long oranges you have to find out. And then you need to multiply all these three things, then you will be getting the probability of orange. The same process you have to follow for banana also. Yellow bananas, sweet bananas, long bananas. You need to find out the probability, and then you need to multiply all of them to get the probability of banana. Same for others also. Okay, I'll show you one, the remaining you can do it. So probability of yellow and orange. So how do you define the Bayes theorem for this? Probability of orange by yellow into probability of yellow divided by probability of orange, right? So what is the probability of orange by yellow? Orange by yellow is nothing but being orange and yellow. So how many orange and yellow fruits you have? 350, right? And how many total yellow fruits you have? 800. So it is 350 by 800 into probability of yellow you need to find. So probability of yellow is nothing but the number of yellow by the total fruits, right? So how many yellow fruits you have? 800 yellow fruits you have. And what is the total number of fruits you have? 1200. So it is 800 by 1200 divided by P of orange again. So how many oranges you have? 650. And what are the total number of fruits you have? 1200. So 650 by 1200. In the same way, if you do this, you'll get the answer as 0.53. Okay. Next, you need to do the same for sweet of orange also. For sweet of orange, what you will do? Probability of orange by sweet into P of S by P of O is nothing but here orange. It is not others, it is orange. Okay, so like that you need to find out the probability for sweet of orange and for long of orange. Actually you'll get long of orange as 0 because you don't have any long oranges, right? See, long oranges are 0, so you'll get the probability of long of oranges 0. So now in order to find out the probability of fruit being an orange is P of Y by O is nothing but P of yellow by orange into, I said no, you need to multiply the probability of this into this into this for each and every fruit. So probability of yellow by orange into probability of sweet by orange into probability of long by orange. Since long by orange is 0, you'll be getting the entire answer also as 0. So done. Now the same way you need to find out for banana also. Even for banana also, fruit being a banana, right? So probability of yellow by banana, probability of sweet, and probability of long. So like that you need to find out, and you get here as 0.65, right? And next you need to do it for others also, then you will be getting it as 0.072. Now 0 is eliminated, so fruit of orange is eliminated. You need to check whether fruit of banana or fruit of others, that is banana or others, which is most probable, which is most closely matching to the condition given. What is the condition given? It should be yellow, it should be sweet, and it should also be orange, right? So which is having more value, whether banana is having more value or others are having more value? Banana is having more value, which is 0.65, which is more than 0.07, right? So that is why banana is having more probability. So you can pick up banana as the fruit which is having all the three categories. Okay, done. So the answer for the classification would be banana. So you have classified banana as the yellow, sweet, and longer fruit, and that too the most probable one. Okay, done. So this is how you need to do the naive Bayes classification. This is how naive Bayes classification goes on. Okay, so first you need to calculate the probability of each and every attribute. Then you need to multiply the features of the probability of all the attributes in order to get the final probability, and then you should compare the final probabilities. I hope this video is clear for you. I try to explain it in a better way. If you're having any doubts, or if still you're having any confusions, excuse me for that, and also let me know that in the comment section. I'll definitely try to clear for sure. And if you want me to make any other videos or any other topics, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to make it for sure. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive notification whenever I post a new video. And thanks for watching the video till the end.